welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be trying a Thai traditional outfit here in Bangkok, Thailand. We're here in front of a one-day Thai shop where we can rent traditional Thai outfit, and then we also hire a photographer as well. So we're gonna have a photo shoot in the temple. I'm gonna be getting a professional makeup and hair done. Let's see how professional that is. So we're really excited for today. It's really hot today, so hopefully we don't sweat through our outfit. Without further ado, let's go.
The studio is just a 2-minute walk from MRT Snap Chai, which is super convenient, but a bit tricky to find. The sign is small, there is a flower shop on the first floor, and there's no sign near the elevator saying which floor the studio is on.
Where's the shop? Do we go up?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go third floor. I don't know where it is.
So the only way to know which floor it's on is by checking every floor.
Hopefully this is the right place.
Shoot, it's not. Going for the floor. Not this one either.
Then we later realized it actually says it on Google Maps, so when in doubt, just check your Google Maps, okay? We found a studio on Instagram and booked it just 2 days in advance. I definitely recommend making an appointment. They can get pretty busy. We chose the couple promotion, which included outfits for both of us, hair and makeup for me, and an hour photo shoot. If you want to add hair and makeup for your man, it's an extra 600 baht, or just 100 baht for hairstyling. Back then, the package was 3,990 baht, but prices have gone up. The same package is now 4,390. There are other promotions too. You can check them out on the website and book through Line or Facebook chat. It's super easy. I booked my hair and makeup for 2:30 and a shoot at 4:30 to catch that golden hour. We showed up 30 minutes early to pick our outfits because I know I always take forever.
จองไว้อะค่ะแต่มาเร็ว บ่ายสองครึ่ง
There were rolls and rolls of colorful traditional outfits and tons of gorgeous accessories. Yes, most of it was included in the package. Time to pick the outfits. One of the staff handed me these massive catalogs to browse through, but after flipping through maybe 3 pages, I gave up. So I just told her the color we were going for, of course, light purple, and she took care of the rest.
ชอบอันนี้มากมันดูมันเข้ากว่า
Wait, how's it? Is it going on?
You like this one or the color?
It's pretty good. I don't know why it might be better.
A few minutes later.
Okay, I think we decided to go with the gray and the purple combo. So let's see how this goes. I think it's really hot outside, so I'm probably not going to wear any shirt underneath here.
Kevin got to put on his outfit by himself. It's pretty straightforward for him.
Pants here. Got a size L on this one for large. I think it fits a lot of people. It's pretty elastic. It's got this crotch belt looking thing here. I don't know what that's about. What is going on? All these are shorts. Okay, no pockets though. You may want to wear shorts underneath maybe. I'm gonna wear these underneath so I have pockets. Yeah. So I have this brown bag in here in the changing room to put all your stuff in afterwards. Alright, let's go. Let's see how the hair's holding up.
Then the staff jumped in to help him put on the accessories because, let's be real, he had no idea what went where.
I feel it matches my outfit great.
Okay, Kevin. As for me, one of the staff helped me get everything on because traditional Thai outfits for ladies are definitely not a one-person job. They wrap the fabric around me and use the safety pin, which makes them adjustable and suitable for all sizes.
Got the belt, and I got this one here, a necklace, earring. It's a clip earring. It's heavy and it hurt. And then also a bracelet here, both sides.
Now it's time for the hair and makeup. We went into another room where everyone was getting glammed up. It was a pretty big room. The moment I sat down, she looked at my face for 2 seconds and was like, let's do double eyelids. If you don't know, a lot of Asians have monolids, so to make eye makeup pop, we sometimes use a little tape to fake a crease. And then I thought we were jumping straight into makeup, but...
Oh, okay, no problem.
แซนจัดทรงผมมาเรียบร้อยแล้วอะค่ะพร้อมถ่ายแล้ว
แล้วทรงแบบเข้าด้วย
ถูก
Well, while we were waiting to start, Kevin wanted to show you guys something.
I got this locker system set up for you, so you lock up your stuff when you go do your photo shoot or whatever you're gonna do. Make sure you don't lose it though. It's a 200 baht fine if you do lose it. Maybe it's 100 baht or inflation kicked in here, 200 baht. Just right by these lockers, we have this area here, the boyfriend husband waiting area. So if you go in here, that's where all the girls are getting ready. Nice air-conditioned area.
There are also power outlets in case your phone dies while you're waiting. It's very thoughtful, actually.
This place only accepts cash, but there's a 7-Eleven right outside. Walk across the canal with an ATM so you can get cash over there. It's also a good place to get a cold drink while you wait for your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband, boyfriend's girlfriend, girlfriend's boyfriend, whoever.
Okay, let's get back to my makeup. Remember to bring some inspo with you. They will really try their best to make it happen. I mentioned a Thoyen style look and she totally understood the assignment. It's that soft, glam makeup trend from China and it was super popular in Thailand at that time. The makeup artist, she was so gentle and sweet. We talked a lot, like I probably used up my entire year's worth of words in that one session. My makeup took about 45 minutes, mostly because she was trying to get the eyelid tape to work. My lids are a bit hooded, so the tape was just too thin to stay on. In the end, we skipped it, but honestly, it still turned out cute. And this is the final look of my makeup. What do you guys think? For the hair, I was like, you do whatever you think looks good on me. She added a bunch of cute accessories too, and it turned out super pretty. The whole thing took about 30 minutes, so we finished around 4:15, which meant we had just 15 minutes to go before the photo shoot started. I'm done with the makeup. So this is my overall look. I also got the bag as well, so I can put my stuff in here. So basically, you can choose to either go to Arun Temple or Wat Arun Temple. So Wat Arun has the main attraction that if you look at the Instagram, like a lot of people take a picture with the architecture in there. But for Wat Arun, there's a lot more spots for pictures. But today we're going to Wat Arun, so we have to take a boat to cross from this side to another side of the river. And then for foreigners to enter the temple, you have to pay 200 baht for Wat Arun. For Wat Arun, you have to pay 300 baht for the entrance for the foreigners. But luckily, the pier was actually super close. It's just a 5-minute walk from the shop. So the walk is actually not that bad and it's not that complicated. You see a lot of people walking in this dress, so it's not awkward. People are used to it. The boat ride is just 30 baht each way. Everyone was super friendly. They told us exactly where to wait and when the boat would arrive, so you really don't have to worry about getting lost at all. Serious question, what do you think about my makeup? Are you used to it, this makeup?
Who are you again? Where's my wife? Oh, she right here.
Funny. I like the makeup a lot. It's so good.
Pretty nice air conditioner, pretty big, lots of seats. It's all enclosed. You don't have to worry about the heat and sweat.
Now it's like a golden hour. It's perfect. Even though we will get to wear this for only a few hours.
I think it's the best time for pictures right now. It's really good lighting, so we'll see.
Are you hot in here?
Very hot.
Oh, forget it. And I got so shy after the compliment. The boat ride was super quick, just 3 minutes. The view was gorgeous, especially with the sunset. Let's go.
Okay, now to see if we can find our photographer here.
To make matters worse, there were a ton of photographers around, but luckily the shop gave us the photographer's number ahead of time. And like I mentioned earlier, foreigners do need to buy an entrance ticket, and it's cash only. And if you're just visiting, make sure your outfits is temple appropriate, okay?
You get a water if you buy a ticket.
This one is the iconic ice cream. Maybe we should get it after. We're just waiting for the photographer. He said he went to eat. Oh yeah, I don't want to stroll too far away because he might not find us. After waiting for like 15 minutes, the photographer finally showed up.
Let's go meet our photographer.
Well, that definitely made me feel bad. He said he hadn't had time to eat all day, but in my defense, I was just worried we wouldn't have enough time for the photo shoot. Anyway, let's finally get into the photo shoot. Kevin and I took turns getting our solo pictures taken. And of course, we also did a bunch of couple shots. There were also a few important rules we had to follow while shooting at the temple. We actually almost broke one of them due to miscommunication. No hugging, kissing, or any gestures that might be seen as disrespectful. So our faces barely touched the entire shoot. It's a sacred place even if you're just there for photos. If you're like Kevin, who's nervous about the shoot because you have no idea how to pose, I can assure you that the photographer was amazing. He was directing us on how to pose, was super detailed with the angles and lighting, and knew all the best spots. Honestly, I learned so much and I have a whole new respect for models. It's way harder than it looks. There was one thing that kept bothering me during the shoot, and I want to share it so you don't make the same mistake. It was that one strand of hair in front that kept falling into my face. So if you have hair like mine that doesn't hold curls well, it's probably best not to have anything covering your face. If I could go back, I would definitely pull everything back instead.
How do you feel?
Hot, sweaty.
It's not that bad anymore at this timing. It was probably hotter earlier, but now it's better. We are walking to the last location for this photo shoot.
Our photographer was super enthusiastic the whole time. He made sure we got all the best shots. We basically kept taking photos until the very last minute.
Going back, I'm so defeated right now. I'm tired. I guess this is the feeling of a model. This was just an hour of photo shoot, okay? I feel this tired. Imagine the whole day of being a model. Like I had to some like position that I'm not even used to it. It was so weird. Look at the weather.
It's pretty full. I think we're the last boat, so it's pretty full.
We ended up returning our outfits by 7 p.m. and there were actually people coming in to return theirs even later than us. We received all the photos 2 days later, so it was a pretty quick turnaround.
Okay, so this is next day morning. We are here at the coffee shop around my house. So last night we were super tired. That's why we couldn't do the closing and we couldn't give our opinion about the experience. It was actually quite a unique experience overall. I wish that we could go earlier to start it earlier so that we can walk around in the dress more and also try the ice cream that is very unique in that place. It's very crowded. It's a lot of people.
If you're looking for this experience to like see the temple and stuff, I don't think that's what it's for. We didn't really have time to like check out the temple, like look around, see anything. This was probably mainly an experience to get photos. Everyone was pretty nice at the place. They took care of you. They put on accessories for you. Everything seemed pretty hygiene, as Swag likes to say. It was a pretty good experience overall.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. There will be more traveling video coming up, especially in Thailand and Taiwan. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.